Jai Hind, my dear students. So today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is maps. Okay. So my dear students, you have already learned about map in your previous class, that is in your 5th class. Okay. So let's have a small definition of map. So what is maps? Maps is a drawing. Okay. It is a drawing of the Earth's surface. This is a small definition which you need to understand, that is drawing of the Earth surface. Okay, or you can say a part of it on a flat surface. Okay, so what is the definition of map? A map is a drawing of the Earth surface. Or a part of it on a flat surface. Okay, so this is the small definition which is easy for you to learn. Okay, so in this map we have different types of map also. Okay, so what are those types? Types of maps. Types of map. First, we have political map. Second, we have physical map. And third, we have thematic map. Okay. So in political map, what it will include? In political map, all the towns, cities, countries, etc. will come under political map. Okay, that means if, for example, on the surface of the earth, on globe, you will see that every country is divided or it's denoted by its different color. Okay, so or we have a separate for another example I am going to give you is, if you see India, in India we have 28 states. So all those states are denoted by different colors. Okay, so what are those? Those are political map. Those are towns, or you can say those are cities, those are countries. Okay, so these things will come under your political map. Then we are saying physical map, as it is already saying physical map. That means all the earth features, okay, or the natural features of earth, features of the earth. That means, example, mountains, rivers, plains, etc. Plateaus. Okay, all these things will come under your physical map. Okay, in whole earth, okay, in the entire world. Then we have thematic map. Now what does thematic map give us? It gives us some specific information. Like For example, you can say, or you can say like rainfall of a place, okay, or where minerals are found, where industries are there, okay, where coal mines, etc. Okay, so all these, some specific, if for example, if I am saying cotton, so where cotton is found, okay, so it for example, mainly it is found in Haryana, okay, so we will say that in Haryana cotton is reproduced, okay, so that means it is giving us the specific information. If I talk about soil, so the soil which is very rich in minerals, where these soils, what we call of that is alluvial soil, and where these soils are found, like Haryana, Punjab, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, okay, so the thematic maps are showing us the specific information of a place, okay. So my dear students, these are the map, its definition and types of map, okay. So in this video we will discuss only this much, and in my next video I am going to explain you about components of map. For the time being, revise the chapter, revise these maps, okay. Thank you and Jai Hind.